Hi there, students. A wallflower. A countable noun. Well, firstly, a wallflower is a real plant. Yeah, it's a member of the mustard family, and it's got, well, yellow or orange flowers, and it likes to grow on walls, and that's why it's called a wallflower. But we use this phrase, a wallflower, to talk about a person who doesn't dance at a party, usually because they're shy or they're unpopular. Yeah. So you see all of the wallflowers sitting on chairs at the edge of the party, while everyone else is in the party having a good time. So a wallflower, anybody who's socially awkward, they're shy, they're reserved. Yeah, normally they're reserved because they suffer from social anxiety. Yeah, so a wallflower. Yeah, somebody who stays on the fringes of a dance or a party. Normally because this person doesn't have a partner to go to the party with, or because they haven't been chosen. So this phrase they particularly use for women and girls, but you could use it for a man as well. Somebody who's frightened to involve their self in social activity, somebody who doesn't attract much interest, so they're sitting at the edge of the party against the walls, wallflower, waiting for somebody to ask them to dance. So the wallflowers were all sitting there, hoping somebody would come up and ask them to dance. Yeah, very often I feel a bit like a wallflower at a party. Yeah, okay, so a wallflower, somebody who is shy, they're timid, and then by extension you can use it anything that has been forced to the sidelines or remains on the sidelines. So the player ended up being a wallflower this year. He was sat on the substitute bench the whole year without actually playing a match. Okay, so you can use it metaphorically in this sense as well. Okay, so a wallflower. Yeah, it's a member of the mustard family, Chiranthus. It's got nice flowers, but it tends to grow on walls and cliffs, and that's why we call these people wallflowers, because they're sitting against the wall, they're round the edge of the wall, and they are flowers. They're decorating the place, but from round the outside of it. Okay, so a wallflower. Formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, something very formal. I think you might need to try and say something else, some very shy people or something like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Don't be a wallflower and make a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wallflower.